Hey, what's up, y'all? I feel like I haven't made a video in a little minute, so I'm just gonna record her in the house real quick. Well, we got a problem with the Ranger again. He got a brand new battery, but I think it's one of them refurbished ones, and it ain't working right, and it just keeps dying. So I got it on charge right now, as you can see. Still probably too dead to start. Oh, never mind. I don't know how long this will run for. Let me go unplug it and see how long this will run for. Idle. Now I might drive. I thought y'all didn't mean to. I might drive it off camera a little. Ooh. I need y'all to kill the videos. I'm probably gonna make a washing video tomorrow or Saturday on all of this, because this needs to be washed. It needs new tires bad, dude. I'm tired of these little stocks. I ain't messing with 29.5 Assassinators or some 29.5 Outlaw 2s on a crush lock. 33 BKT or Moto Havoc on 20. Or I might get something different that not many people are running. That's really what I want to do. I've been looking at a couple of setups I don't see many people with that I might order brand new. So yeah, we just got to get some bread first. Ain't even gonna lie. That's the main problem. But I guess I'm finna try and ride this. So yeah, man, y'all didn't really sound fully charged. So I'm gonna give it some more time, I reckon. I don't know if I've showed you this yet, but the boat's back. My dad's over there cutting grass. I hope this doesn't make sure you can't hear nothing. I'm recording on my phone. Bro, there's just so much crap everywhere in right. I need to clean up, bro. It's not as bad. We just kind of clean. Mercury 60. He got new batteries for it, so everything works. Again, and he cleaned it out. The inside's not carpeted or nothing, but it is a dog boat, so it don't really matter. Old fishing poles, old golf court that I took off the rim. It was still running cranky, just ain't got no tires on it. They're all flat. It's over here. Plug. Bunch of spark plugs. Because it wasn't wanting to start. Look at him. The boy put in the work. I guess he's done. Well, I'm finna talk to him, so peace out.